The Smart Function Kit for Pressing arrives as a bundled kit of components. Each piece will be packaged in its own individual box and includes all the essentials for pressing functions. The electro-mechanical cylinder, or EMC, with pre-assembled servo motor will come ready to mount to the machine frame. This is the working end of the Smart Function Kit for Pressing that produces the motion and force in the application. The optional force sensor is boxed for safe transit. Installation is simple, using the threaded connection to the EMC plunger rod. When equipped, the force sensor provides live force feedback, allowing the Smart Function Kit to monitor and control force in the motion program. The servo drive and industrial PC are ready to mount into the machine's electrical panel. All the necessary cables are included to connect power and achieve communication between the drive, industrial PC, motor, and force sensor. The PC includes pre-installed software that is used to program all aspects of the motion control. No additional motion control components are required. Once all necessary connections are complete, the system is ready to commission and run. Just attach an HMI device, such as a tablet or PC, to access the pre-installed software. The Smart Function Kit for Pressing arrives as a kit of components that are easily assembled and includes software that helps make plug and produce a reality.